Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in this video we are going to discuss class 9 chapter 3, the world of numbers, end of chapter exercise, fourth question. What is this fourth question? Locate 0.532 on the number line. See, by this decimal we can see that the whole part is 0, so that means the number is between 0 and what is the next whole part after 0? It is 1. So let us draw a number line. This is 0 and this is 1. And what we are supposed to do? So how many decimal parts? The decimals is nothing but dividing the number into 10 parts. That is the concept of decimals. Is it right? So 10th part. So let us make 10 parts out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th part. So that means this is 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and a 0.9 and 1. Okay, so now by seeing the whole part, we understood that the number is between 0 and the next one. Okay, now after that let us go to what is the decimal here? 5. So that means this 0.532 is in between 0.5 and what is the next decimal? 6. So it is in between these two. Now let us magnify it and draw. This is 0.5 and this is, let us say, 0.6. Okay, now since it is, the next part will be also a 10th part of it, so let us divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. Okay, equal parts. Now this is what? 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54, 0.55, 0.56, 0.57, 0.58 and 0.59 and after that it is 0.6. So now let us go to the next decimal part. What is this? 0.53. So from this decimal we can understand that the given number lies between 0.53 and 0.54. So where is 0.53 and 0. Now magnify this and draw a number line. So 0.53 and somewhere here 0.54. Now let us divide this into 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is this? 0.531, 0.532, 0.533, 0.534, 0.535, 0.536, 0.537, 0.538, 0.539. Now let us see here. Where is 0.532? So 0.532 is here. Understood? So this is the way of locating decimals on number line. We call it as successive magnification. Okay, since we have to magnify the decimal parts. I hope you understood this, and if you have doubt, you ask me. Okay, so suppose if anybody asks to locate, for example, 9/2 on number line fraction. So what you are supposed to do? So let us find out first the decimal part of it. So when you divide with 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, and 1 is the remainder. And if you have denominators like 2 or 5, so then you will get a terminating decimal. So you can find out the decimal part also if you want. So point and you will get a decimal, and 2 5s are 10. So now you have to 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. Am I right? 4.5. So that means take the first whole part. The number lies between 4 and what is the next one? 5. So let us take 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Since these are in decimals, let us divide it into 10 decimal parts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it becomes 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, so on. So we wanted 4.5. So this is 9 by 2 or 4.5. So this is how we represent decimals. Okay. And we have already seen in question number 1 that if the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n, so we will get terminating decimals. And terminating decimals, it is very easy, but let us do it directly as fraction. For example, I'll change this as 9 by 5. Okay, 9 by 5 is also, you will get a terminating decimal. So let us go with 9 by 7. Okay, 9 by 7, since the decimal part is the denominator is not in the form of 2 to the power of m times 5 to the power of n, it will not get a terminating decimal, it will get a non-terminating decimal. But since the numerator is bigger, okay, what you will get? You will get, it is called, this fraction is called as improper fraction. So whatever is the fraction given, what you do, you divide numerator with denominator. 9 divided by 7. So this is bigger number, so 7 ones are 7 and remainder is 2. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. Okay, so that means 9 by 7 on number line lies between 1 and what is the next number? 2. So let us draw the number line. This is 1 and this is 2. So previously when we were locating these numbers on decimals on number line, we divided, every time we divided into 10 parts, because the concept of decimals is dividing it into 10, right? But here when you come to fraction, okay, so no need to divide it into 10 parts. Divide into number of parts as equal to denominator. So what is denominator here? 7. So divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. First you do it. Now 1, how can you write? How can you write? Using denominator 7. Can I write it as 7 by 7? 7 divided by 7 is 1. And now how you write 2? 7 2s are 14. So I can write it as 14 by 7. So starting from 7 by 7, what is this? 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7 and 13 by 7. Now tell me, where is 9 by 7? So this is 9 by 7. This is how we locate decimals or fractions on the number line. I hope you understood. Please repeat it. If you do not repeat and listen this as a story, you cannot do mathematics. Mathematics you can do only by repeating. Okay, my dear students, please repeat whatever I am explaining. These are important questions and important concepts, not only for any examination. To understand mathematics, you have to do all these questions. Okay, please repeat.